Hey, thanks for joining us. We're out in the middle of nowhere. We're doing a special unboxing today. It's really not special, but I'm kind of excited about it. I got the Vector OffRoad JLE-Dock tube, and I needed to have a place or a way to mount my GoPro, so we got the Vector OffRoad mount for the GoPro, and it came in this box. So we're doing a box opening, and then we're going to do a quick install, see how it goes. So let's get to it. First off, let's cut it open. And here's the part of the mount right here. This is what mounts on the tube itself. And then we have this 67 design piece that mounts actually for the GoPro itself. So this is going to go, actually this is a Bolt 67 design, perfect. So that's going to mount like that, just onto the top of that. And then the GoPro goes in to that. Okay. We've been playing with our GoPro all day today, and we'll have some footage of that as we came to this location. My daughter and I are actually doing a geocache, and we came here to get a geocache that was placed in November of 2000. So that's what so it's going to be like that, and we'll be able to twist, go up and down around while it's mounted on the JLE-Dock. So the Vector, or actually the 67 design GoPro mount for the Vector OffRoad JLE-Dock right there. Let's go install it. That just is an Allen wrench right there. You can probably finger tighten that. But luckily, I brought my Allen wrench tool. I actually stole this out of my wife's toolbox. If I don't return it, she's going to be pissed. So, got to take very extra care of this one. As you can see, we have the attachment to the GoPro already attached to the windshield. As we're going down bumpy roads, this kind of bounces all over the place, and every so often we look and it's over on the side like that, whatever, and if the windshield was down, we have no mount. And which I did take the windshield down once, and there's a video of that on my channel already. I took it down to actually install the JLE-Dock. So we're going to put this on. And it comes with a little tubing connector. We actually have to have that on. And that's just to protect your tube, but also to keep it from rattling. And we're just going to stick this on here. Let's just see if we can get this the way that we want. It is tight. It hits the bottom of the dashboard a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. And that just goes on top like that. And we just install. And we're going to be able to position this any way that we want. But right now I'm just going to stick it right in the middle. Now let's just take this off. Get rid of this because it's ugly. Wow, what a difference. Let me just stick that on. Oh, that looks so much better. Just like that.
Are you happy with your purchase?
We'll see. We'll see how this goes on our way home. See if it rattles. We'll see how if it moves around. But these are pretty solid. It's solid. That's not, man, that's so much better. So much better than the window suction cup that we had. And yeah, even if we wanted to, we can still point it towards, pull it back if we wanted to. I might actually do it that way, just for the fun of it.
That looks very lovely.
Isn't it? That's very nice.
Yeah.
So far, I'm happy with it. We'll see on our way home as we go over these roads that we came up on. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, Vector OffRoad, for the JLE-Dock, as well as 67 Designs for creating such a great product.
Where's my Allen wrench tool?